Event organizers, this one is for you. My name is DanRam, and I am a global MC. I get it. Putting on an event is a monumental task. You got marketing, you got ticket sales, you got logistics. You've got to find amazing speakers, and you got to find innovative ways to engage your audience. As an ex-event organizer and now MC, I understand how all these different parts need to work together to have a successful event. It's probably why I'm at over 100 conferences every single year on multiple continents, and I'm so honored and so grateful that I get to work with some of the best across multiple verticals. It's not all about size. Whether it's a lecture hall, workshop at corporates, an invite-only event for hundreds of people, or a tech conference with tens of thousands, for me, it's about adding value to every single person. How do I add value? By bringing every audience member on a meaningful and memorable journey from start to end. Literally, whether it's singing to a German audience, getting a Polish crowd to dance, pulling the piano out on a beach in Florida, literally throwing chocolate out into the crowd to keep the energy going, or walking in to get a question and to involve an audience member. For me, it's about valuing every single person in the audience. Over the years, I've had the honor working with billionaire founders, decision makers in government, record-breaking athletes, Grammy Award-winning artists, online celebrities, and so much more. And while they may attract an audience, it is my job to keep them there from start to end to drive the most value from the event. Final plug, because I really want to work with you. Diversity, literally in every way, is my strongest asset. I have been a TEDx speaker, entrepreneur, investor, government advisor, recording artist, radio presenter, and so much more. And I weave all of these together to bring professionalism, creativity, and tons of energy into a performance and production that will make your event a success. I really want to work with you. I cannot wait to hear from you. Let's ignite your event.